Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into two of the most exciting and powerful machines that BMW has to offer, the M4 and the R750. These two beasts represent the pinnacle of performance in their respective categories. The M4 a force to be reckoned with on the racetrack, and the R750 a domineering presence on the open road. Throughout this video, we'll be dissecting their specs, performance, design, and overall driving experience to help you decide which one might be your perfect match. So, buckle up, gearheads, because we're about to unleash some serious Bavarian engineering prowess. First up, let's get acquainted with the M4. This sleek and aggressive coupe is a true thoroughbred, designed to dominate the racetrack. Under the hood, a potent engine roars to life, delivering exhilarating acceleration and heart-pounding power. The M4's handling is equally impressive. It devours corners with razor-sharp precision, thanks to its advanced suspension system and meticulously crafted chassis. Whether you're a seasoned driver pushing for lap records or a weekend warrior looking to sharpen your skills, the M4 provides an unparalleled driving experience. Now, let's shift gears and take a look at the R750. This magnificent machine is a cruiser built for conquering long stretches of asphalt. The R750 boasts a powerful engine that delivers smooth and effortless power, making highway cruising a luxurious experience. But don't be fooled by its comfort-oriented design. The R750 packs a surprising punch when you unleash its power. It accelerates with authority and handles corners with surprising agility for its size. Both the M4 and the R750 showcase BMW's commitment to cutting-edge design and technology. The M4's interior is a driver-focused haven, featuring premium materials, a sleek and purposeful layout, and all the latest gadgets to keep you connected and informed. The R750's cabin prioritizes comfort and luxury, with ample space for rider and passenger, high-quality materials, and a user-friendly interface for the infotainment system. So, which one reigns supreme? The answer truly depends on your driving style and preferences. The M4 is the ultimate driving machine, a track-focused weapon that will leave you breathless with its performance. The R750, on the other hand, is a majestic cruiser that offers a luxurious and powerful way to conquer the open road. No matter your choice, both the M4 and the R750 represent the pinnacle of Bavarian automotive engineering. They are testaments to BMW's dedication to performance, luxury, and innovation. This exploration of these two incredible machines. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.